In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Instagram account and Facebook account. Let's start the video. Once we open the Instagram app, this is the screen we will first see. We need to click the profile icon in the bottom of the screen. Next in this screen, we need to click the hamburger menu icon. And again, we need to click Settings and Privacy tab from the menu. And next, in this screen, we need to enter Account Center section. Here, we need to click the Profiles tab. Here, we need to click Add Accounts tab. Again in this screen, we need to click Add Facebook Account tab, connect our Facebook account. We need to continue with the video. And finally, we need to click Finish Adding button in the bottom of the screen. Now both the accounts, the Instagram and Facebook account, are connected. We can click back and view the connected profiles. You can see both Instagram and Facebook are connected. To keep viewing tutorial video like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get more and more updates.